Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to the first video that I'm going to upload in 2026 about Thimphu, Bhutan. So I have just gotten ready. The dress that I'm wearing currently is called Kira. It is a national dress of Bhutan for female. And yeah, so this is the room that I'm currently staying in. I don't know why I only have this one socks. So this used to be my sister's bedroom, but after she left for Australia, this has been like a dumping ground. Like I just threw away my used socks there. I'm going to clean it when I come back. These are all messy. So yeah, like I told you, my sister moved to Australia like more than a year ago. So this room has not been used. I mean, we only use it when somebody comes to visit us here, especially a guest of my mom's. And this time I'm staying here. So I'm thinking that once I come back from India, maybe in March or April, I'm going to clean a little bit and change it according to my style. So I need to put my shoes. It's so cold right now in Thimphu, so we have to light this up like every single day. And this home especially is very, very cold. So our main agenda for today is I have to go and get my CID, like Citizenship Identity Card of Bhutan. So the validity is for 10 years. So mine expired in the starting of 2025. But I couldn't like renew it because I was in Dubai. I renewed it like day before yesterday. Sunny day outside, but it's going to be cold in the evening. And my mom, she always wears like ke bhन्छ hat हैन टोपीलाई के भन्छ इंग्लिशमा hat. She wears this in winter every day because it's so cold. I usually don't wear it unless I go out at night. And also now that I'm going to the office to get my ID, I don't think I should wear it. Yeah, so sunny day. I hope I get my ID today. You know what guys, like when you're in Bhutan, if you ever come to Bhutan, you have to look around, like you see this car is stopping and then you walk. And also the other side, also the person just stops and then you walk. Like never walk without looking at both the direction. And like 2 years ago, I think one lady was killed at that like a little bit far zebra crossing because she did not look while crossing. Like normally the people will stop the car, but you have to be extra careful. So we finally got a taxi after a long time. Kति time लाग्यो होला? निकै लाग्यो नि हजुर त? त बेसी ट्याक्सी गयो हैन हाम्रो भन्दा अगाडि. चार्ज गरेन यसले 200 हैन नगद त. This is the place where you come for the renewal, and this is also the Department of Immigration. I knew that it was going to be lunchtime because lunchtime in Bhutan is from 1 to 2 and it's just 1:15, so we came at a wrong time. We should have come like maybe around 1:45 or something like that, but I guess that's it. We have to wait for 45 minutes. And you know, like just after traveling in the taxi, like I was telling you that he charged us more, just 50 rupees. In Bhutan we say niltram, but the thing is that you find people like scamming you very less in Bhutan. This is after traveling to so many countries I've come to realize. I mean, it doesn't feel good when somebody does like that, or maybe they have their own price, I'm not sure. We don't even have like a meter system here. So what I was thinking was, now that I have come back to Bhutan, I think it makes sense to buy or get a car because I have been out from Bhutan for almost 5, 6, 7, 8 to 9 years, almost 10 years you can say. 2015 I went for my university to India and to Dubai, so 10 years, you can say 10 years. Thankfully there is this canteen right next to the immigration office and the census office where we came today, and we are just sitting here. There's heater here. You'll find heater everywhere in Bhutan during winter, especially in Thimphu and Bhutan because it's very cold. This is my lemon tea. And this is mom's buttermilk tea. We call it suja here. And this one, because I cannot drink this, it has butter. I think they don't use milk. So we just came back from the office and sadly I couldn't get my renewed identity card because they said that I did not put in a request, which is very weird since once I submit the application they should just process it. Like my mom did the same thing I think a few months ago, and she told me that she did not have to put in any request, but I don't know why this time it's taking a lot of time. There's a lot of tourists, which is really surprising because it's off season, it's really cold. You will not see the tourists here, but that side, that's like the handicraft market, and there were a lot of tourists. It's just really annoying that I'll have to come tomorrow as well to get my identity card, which actually is supposed to be done in like a day. It's going to take me like 4 days. So my mom's the mixer, I don't know if you call it a mixer or a grinder or like the smoothie maker, got spoiled. So we are here to buy one. यस्तो टाइपको भनेको तपाईले हैन कति होला यो चाहिँ Look at this rice cooker, कति मजाको Chinese. This one as well. I don't know how people cook in this. Oh, it's like this. Guys, do you know that the rice cooker is very important in Bhutan? This is like a mandatory thing. And this one, we call it curry cooker. It's electric. I've never seen this in any other country, but I know this comes from Thailand. Yeah, it's written Thailand. And I've only seen people using this in Bhutan, so I think this time I'm going to take one. It looks like mom and I don't have much luck today. First, the office was closed when I went to get my ID, and second, I did not even get the ID. And third, we came here to this restaurant called Thimphu, and it's 3 o'clock, and we just realized after coming here that it's closed and they open only at 6. So yeah, it has been a very interesting day today. But I actually want to come and try this restaurant because I heard the chef has come from Italy. It's a Bhutanese, but they make like a fusion food, and it was actually recommended to me by one of my junior sister from the university. So I decided to come and try this together with my mom, but it looks like we'll have to come later on. I think we can come later on in the evening. 3 o'clock and it's already so cold, but I really like this place. This area is called Bebena, and this place is very beautiful. Majako ni ठाउँ नि हामी? Look at the mountain there, and there are lots of prayer flags as well. It's like really cold, and the place that we are staying at. The taxi driver here is a lady, and she just charged us 80. While going up from the same, like a shorter way, they charged us like 150. So my mom's quite shocked, like, why did she charge so less? This is Thimphu town. This is the taxi parking. So you get all the taxis from here. So if you have to go anywhere in Thimphu, you have to come to this area and take the taxi from here. Look at this taxi. So fancy. Guys, do you remember that before my mom and I was going to this restaurant in Thimphu, a new restaurant, and it was closed. So we came back home and I tried to sleep, but I couldn't sleep. And now that my brother is also home, we decided to go there for dinner. They usually open at 6 to 10, so it's almost 7 o'clock. So yeah, I've heard a lot about it, so I'm quite excited to try. I've always loved trying new restaurants, especially when I was in Dubai. I would go to new restaurant, but last 2 years I stopped going out, so it feels nice. Whenever I would be in India, in Guwahati, I would go with Dipanshu to try new different restaurants. So we would go to Meghalaya, and you know that place is nearby, and we also tried many restaurants in Guwahati. So yeah, guys, let's go in. Let's go inside. I ordered this lemon honey ginger tea, and my brother has ordered Americano. So our burger has arrived, and look at how cute it looks. The burger is so good. What's like a burger, Tabele? Dummy burger. Burger na honey manchini. So my mom, she doesn't like burger, but she said the burger is really nice. Jasmine is approved. So this one is the main course. It looks so delicious. This is me trying the first bite. Really good. I added a little bit of chili as well because I want it very, 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 very spicy. Yum yum. Lovely. Guys, we are back home now, and it's so cold. We have the heater on, but even though we couldn't do much today, I still did not get my ID card. I hope I'll get it tomorrow. So tired because our house is in the third floor only. In the third floor. And you know, in Bhutan, like many of the houses doesn't have elevator, so you have to climb the stairs, and when you are this fat, you get tired very easily. So guys, I think that's it for today. I'm just going to sit here in front of the heater for a while, and then tomorrow I have no idea what I will be doing. Tomorrow we are going to hospital as well for my brother's checkup. Good night, and I'll see you in the next video.